Have you ever walked past a pile of discarded wood and wondered whether it was truly waste? A weathered pallet leaning against a fence. An old shelving unit left on a curb. Rough timber covered in dirt, scratches, faded paint, and years of neglect. Most people see garbage. Some see firewood. But a craftsman sees possibility. Because hidden beneath that worn exterior is something remarkable. Beneath the weathered surface lies grain, character, history, material that still has value waiting to be revealed. Today, we're exploring how discarded wood can be transformed into something that looks completely at home in a luxury Scandinavian interior. We're taking rough salvaged timber and turning it into a beautiful upholstered entryway storage bench, a piece that combines function, comfort, sustainability, and timeless design. This isn't just a furniture project. It's a lesson in seeing value where others see waste. It's a reminder that beautiful design doesn't begin with expensive materials. It begins with vision. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Whether you're a DIY pro or just starting, today's idea is simple, stylish, and fun. And by the end of this journey, you'll understand how thoughtful sanding, foundational joinery, neutral upholstery, and Scandinavian design principles can elevate forgotten wood into a professional quality piece that looks worthy of a designer showroom. Let's create something amazing together. Stick around and enjoy. The first step in any furniture revival project isn't cutting wood. It's changing the way we see it. When most people encounter reclaimed timber, their attention immediately goes to imperfections. The cracks, the discoloration, the nail holes, the rough texture, the years of wear. These flaws often discourage people before they even begin. But experienced furniture makers understand something important. Imperfections are often temporary. Potential is permanent. Beneath years of weathering is raw material that may be stronger and more beautiful than many of the products sold in modern furniture stores. Some reclaimed boards come from old-growth timber that is increasingly difficult to find today. Others possess grain patterns developed over decades of natural growth. These characteristics cannot be manufactured. They can only be revealed. That process begins with stripping the wood back to its raw grain. There is something incredibly satisfying about this stage. At first, the boards appear tired. The surfaces are dull. The wood feels lifeless. Then the sanding begins. Slowly, layer by layer, years of neglect disappear. Dust fills there. Fresh grain emerges. Colors hidden beneath the surface begin to reveal themselves. The transformation feels almost magical. What looked like waste suddenly starts looking valuable again. This is one of the most rewarding moments in reclaimed woodworking. Not because the project is finished, but because the material finally begins telling its story. As the raw grain appears, the character of the wood becomes visible. Every board is different. Some display dramatic grain movement. Others reveal subtle texture. Certain pieces contain knots that create visual interest. Others showcase long, elegant grain lines that stretch across the entire surface. These natural details become design elements. Instead of hiding them, Scandinavian design celebrates them. This philosophy sits at the heart of Nordic furniture. The material itself becomes part of the aesthetic. Rather than overwhelming a room with decoration, Scandinavian furniture relies on simplicity, natural texture, and thoughtful craftsmanship. The wood is allowed to speak for itself. And that approach makes reclaimed timber particularly powerful. Because every mark and variation contributes authenticity. Once the wood is cleaned and prepared, the design process begins. One of the reasons Scandinavian furniture remains so popular worldwide is its balance between beauty and function. Every element serves a purpose. Nothing feels excessive. Nothing feels unnecessary. The entryway bench is a perfect example. At first glance, it appears simple. A clean frame, a comfortable upholstered seat, storage beneath. But behind that simplicity lies intentional design. The bench serves multiple roles. It provides seating while putting on shoes. It creates storage for everyday items. It adds warmth to an entryway. It establishes the tone for the home. The moment someone enters the space, the furniture communicates a message. Thoughtful, organized, inviting, calm. These qualities define successful Scandinavian interiors. Creating that feeling begins with a frame. The structural foundation must be strong enough to support daily use while maintaining visual lightness. This balance is critical. Furniture that appears bulky can overwhelm an entryway. Furniture that appears fragile may not inspire confidence. Scandinavian design often achieves elegance through proportion. The frame feels substantial enough to be durable, but refined enough to remain visually clean. This is where foundational joinery becomes essential. Joinery is often invisible in the finished piece. Visitors rarely notice it, yet it determines how the furniture performs for years to come. Strong joinery transforms individual pieces of wood into a unified structure. Every connection contributes to stability. Every joint contributes to longevity. Traditional woodworking methods continue to prove their value because they prioritize strength without sacrificing beauty. When properly executed, the frame feels solid, stable, reliable. The furniture becomes something that can serve a family for decades rather than years. As the frame comes together, the project begins to resemble a bench. The reclaimed timber that once appeared destined for disposal now stands proudly as furniture. But another important transformation still remains: comfort. This is where upholstery enters the process. One of the defining characteristics of Scandinavian interiors is warmth. Minimalism sometimes receives criticism for feeling cold or sterile. Scandinavian design avoids this problem by introducing softness, natural fabrics, comfortable textures, inviting materials. These elements create balance. The upholstered seat becomes an opportunity to introduce comfort while preserving simplicity. Choosing the right fabric matters tremendously. Many beginner furniture makers focus exclusively on construction and overlook material selection. Yet upholstery has a powerful influence on perception. The wrong fabric can make a beautifully crafted bench feel ordinary. The right fabric can elevate the entire piece. Neutral textiles play a particularly important role in Scandinavian design. Soft beige, warm gray, natural linen tones, muted cream. These colors create calm. They allow the wood to remain the visual focal point while introducing texture and softness. Neutral fabrics also possess remarkable versatility. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. They complement changing decor styles. They age gracefully, and they contribute to the timeless quality that Scandinavian interiors are known for. As the upholstery is installed, another layer of transformation occurs. The project shifts from woodworking to furniture making. The hard lines of the frame are softened by fabric. The bench becomes more welcoming, more human, more connected to everyday life. This combination of wood and textile creates harmony. One provides structure, the other provides comfort. Together, they create balance. Balance is one of the most important principles in successful design. Too much wood can feel rigid. Too much fabric can feel heavy. The interaction between materials creates interest. The result feels intentional rather than accidental. As the project nears completion, attention turns toward refinement. This is the stage where professional quality furniture separates itself from amateur work. The difference often isn't dramatic. It lives in the details. The consistency of sanding, the smoothness of edges, the alignment of components, the precision of upholstery. These details may seem small individually. Collectively, they define quality. Many people underestimate sanding. Yet sanding is often responsible for the emotional response furniture creates. When someone runs a hand across a perfectly sanded surface, they notice. The furniture feels different. The craftsmanship becomes tangible. Every pass of sandpaper contributes to that experience. The process requires patience, but patience is precisely what elevates reclaimed furniture. Mass-produced furniture prioritizes speed. Handcrafted furniture prioritizes refinement. This difference becomes visible. It becomes tactile. And ultimately, it becomes valuable. As the final finish is applied, the grain comes alive once more. Colors deepen. Textures become richer. The wood reflects light differently. The bench finally reveals its completed identity. Few people looking at the finished piece would guess its origins. They wouldn't see discarded lumber. They wouldn't see industrial waste. They would see a beautiful Scandinavian storage bench, a piece that appears sophisticated, purposeful, elegant. Yet that transformation didn't happen because expensive materials were added. It happened because potential was recognized. Craftsmanship unlocked value that already existed. This idea sits at the heart of sustainable furniture making. Sustainability is often misunderstood as sacrifice. People imagine giving up quality in order to reduce waste. But projects like this demonstrate the opposite. Reclaimed materials can create extraordinary results. They can compete with premium furniture. They can outperform mass-produced alternatives. And they often possess character impossible to replicate with new materials. Every reclaimed board carries a history. Every piece contributes uniqueness. The final furniture feels authentic because it is authentic. No factory can manufacture that quality. It emerges naturally through reuse and craftsmanship. The storage element beneath the bench adds another layer of functionality. Modern homes increasingly value furniture that performs multiple roles. Space is precious. Clutter is distracting. Furniture that combines beauty with practicality becomes incredibly valuable. The storage compartment provides a home for shoes, bags, blankets, or everyday essentials. The entryway remains organized. The room feels calmer. And once again, Scandinavian design demonstrates its brilliance. Nothing exists without purpose. Every feature contributes meaningfully to the user's experience. This philosophy explains why Scandinavian furniture continues influencing interiors around the world. It focuses on how people actually live, not merely how spaces look. As you step back and view the completed bench, it's difficult not to appreciate the journey. The material began as waste, weathered, forgotten, overlooked. Yet through sanding, joinery, upholstery, and refinement, it became something entirely different, something useful, something beautiful, something lasting. The transformation is inspiring because it reflects a larger truth. Potential often hides beneath rough surfaces. Whether in materials, projects, or skills, value frequently requires effort to uncover. The reclaimed timber was always capable of becoming beautiful furniture. The grain was always there. The strength was always there. The possibility was always there. The only requirement was someone willing to reveal it. Perhaps that's why furniture revival projects are so satisfying. They remind us that transformation is possible. That waste can become value. That neglected materials can become treasured possessions. And that craftsmanship remains one of the most powerful tools for creating beauty from the ordinary. In the end, this Scandinavian-style upholstered entryway bench represents far more than a place to sit. It represents intentional design, sustainable thinking, patient craftsmanship, and the belief that great furniture isn't defined by where the material comes from. It's defined by what the maker sees within it. Because sometimes the most beautiful pieces in a home don't begin in a showroom. Sometimes they begin in a pile of discarded wood waiting for a second chance. Thanks for watching Decor Ideas. I hope today's project inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our next decor and woodworking creation. See you soon with another amazing idea.